With cold calls generally, you kind of blank out, and then and when you're a third party and just watching it, you're like, oh, these answers are so easy. But when you're the one being cold called, you're like, I don't know anything. I can't locate anything on the page. But professors are very nice about cold calls, and all your classmates are very supportive.
One thing that I kind of laughed about to myself is that the professors are always going to stump you. They're just smarter than you at this point in your career, in your academic career, and they're going to ask you questions, and you might get a few right. And for me, at least, they're going to keep going down that path, and eventually they're going to stump you. And you can react one of two ways. You can get upset about it, or you can smile and take it in stride. And so it was always kind of fun for me waiting for the professor to stump me and ask me something that I knew I had no idea what the answer was.
My first cold call was in a torts class, and this was probably 2 or 3 weeks into school. And I don't remember the specific case. It was one of the several that involves trains, which you'll learn. And I was cold called, and it just totally caught me off guard, and my mind went totally blank. And I think that the question was just, what are the facts of this case, which is often a warm-up question. I could not remember the facts, and I just sort of was, there's a man in a train, and I was just stumbling through an answer, and luckily my professor saved me, and went ahead and recited the facts. But after that, cold calls were a breeze because I had totally blanked out on the first one. And it was something that my section mates, there were several of those incidents among the section where each of us had sort of had a rough first cold call, and it was something that united us, I think, because once you see people embarrassed in front of everyone, it sort of takes the pressure off going forward.